AMP cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $0.0024 a coin, which is genuinely huge. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0024-0.0025 in a significant way. The earlier day close, 0.0025 in an unobtrusive way. The change for the most part was 0.0001, 4.00%. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Reverse rate, United States dollars to AMP, or so they thought. AMP value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month-AMP cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $0.0024, certainly most extreme $0.0026, essentially least $0.0022 in a fundamentally huge way. AMP gauge on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.0025, really most extreme $0.0027 in every practical sense, least $0.0023 in an essentially significant way. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.0024, greatest $0.0026, beautiful least $0.0022. AMP estimate on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.0028, fundamentally greatest $0.0030, kind of least $0.0026, which especially is very huge. AMP cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.0028, most certainly greatest $0.0030, all things considered, least $0.0026 in a truly significant way. AMP value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. In multi-week AMP conjecture on Monday, August 14, cost $0.0027, especially greatest $0.0029, all things considered, least $0.0025 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.0027, certainly most extreme $0.0029, truly least $0.0025, or so they in a real sense thought. AMP figure on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.0027, really most extreme $0.0029, exceptionally least $0.0025, showing how today's exchanged cost range, 0.0024, 0.0025. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.0026, really greatest $0.0028, sort of least $0.0024 in an unpretentious way. AMP figure on Friday, August 18, cost $0.0024, extremely greatest $0.0026, truly least $0.0022, or so they explicitly thought. In about 14 days AMP cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost $0.0028, by and large greatest $0.0030, certainly least $0.0026 in an all things considered, significant way. AMP gauge on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.0030, essentially greatest $0.0032, all things considered, least $0.0028, which explicitly is very critical. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.0030, truly greatest $0.0032, especially least $0.0028 in a quite enormous way. AMP estimate on Thursday, August 24, cost $0.0029, especially greatest $0.0031, exceptionally least $0.0027 in an unobtrusive way. AMP cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $0.0027, kind of greatest $0.0029, least $0.0025 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks AMP gauge on Monday, August 28, cost $0.0031, extremely greatest $0.0033, least $0.0029, or so they really thought. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.0031, really most extreme $0.0033, by and large least $0.0029 in an especially huge manner. AMP figure on Wednesday, August 30, cost $0.0031, genuinely most extreme $0.0033, kind of least $0.0029 in a significant way. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost $0.0031, beautiful greatest $0.0033, in every way that really matters, least $0.0029. Truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP conjecture on Friday, September 1, cost $0.0030, really greatest $0.0032, least $0.0028, which truly is genuinely critical. In about a month, AMP cost forecast on Monday, September 4, cost $0.0030, extremely greatest $0.0032. Sort of least $0.0028 amazingly. AMP estimate on Tuesday, September 5, cost $0.0030, sort of greatest $0.0032, least $0.0028 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to AMP today. United States dollars to AMP conversion scale, most certainly equivalent to 418.41 coins per $1, in a kind of huge manner. Today's reach, 393.70 to 421.94, which essentially is genuinely huge. The past day's nearby, 395.26 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Change for now plus 23.15, plus 5.86%, which sort of is very critical. United States dollars to AMP cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future, and month. Dollar to AMP conjecture on Monday, August 7, cost 416.67 coins, for the most part greatest 454.55, really least 384.62 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to AMP expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost 400.00 coins, all things considered, most extreme 434.78, in every practical sense, least 370.37, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to AMP gauge on Wednesday, August 9, cost 416.67 coins, genuinely greatest 454.55, by and large least 384.62, exhibiting that AMP cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.0027. Exceptionally most extreme 0.0029, especially least 0.0025, or so they truly thought. United States dollars to AMP forecast on Thursday, August 10, costs 357.14 coins, greatest 384.62, sort of least 333.33, which by and large is very huge. Dollar to AMP gauge on Friday, August 11, costs 357.14 coins, genuinely greatest 384.62, most certainly least 333.33, showing how AMP cost exceptionally equivalent to $0.0024 a coin, or so they explicitly thought. In multi-week United States dollars to AMP expectation on Monday, August 14, costs 370.37 coins, by and large most extreme 400.00, all things considered, least 344.83. Which certainly is genuinely critical. Dollar to AMP gauge